Avalanche price prediction 2024 to 2030. With a slow start to 2024, the altcoins are finally gaining trend momentum, with the hype around Bitcoin spot ETF hitting high. Like most altcoins, the Avalanche price shoots higher, with the market-wide recovery hinting at a new high-speed bull run. With the 2023 bull run pausing in the early days of 2024, the Avalanche price is under stress but manages to sustain dominance over $40. Further, with an overall recovery sentiment in the altcoins market, the Avalanche price capitalizes on the inflated investors' confidence. However, due to frequent volatile moves, investors have doubts like, how low can Avalanche prices go? Or, is Avalanche dead? Or, will Avalanche rebound in 2024? So, if you're planning an investment in Avalanche, do read our in-depth analysis for 2024-2030. Our analysis uncovers the answers to Avalanche price prediction 2024 to 2030, a period that promises to be full of challenges, uncertainties, and opportunities alike. Avalanche price prediction for 2024. In the weekly chart, Avalanche finally exhibits a bullish candle after a couple of bearish candles, projecting a potential bounce back. After failing to cross $50, the Avalanche price trend finally shows a possibility of a bullish trend continuation. With the 50-day EMA taking a move upwards, the pullback phase failed to find any significant rise in trading volume. Moreover, the MACD and signal lines continue the bullish trend in the weekly chart. All of these signals support the reversal chances in Avalanche prices. Hence, with the Bitcoin spot ETF stirring volatility in the altcoins market, the Avalanche price is ready to skyrocket with the additional volume in the market. Therefore, the Avalanche price can reach the $80 mark by the end of 2024. If the market remains under the control of sellers and bearish sentiment persists, there is a risk that Avalanche could face further downward pressure. In this scenario, the coin's price could be pushed to retest a concerning low, potentially reaching as low as $22. Avalanche price prediction 2025. Looking ahead to 2025, Avalanche's price is anticipated to experience further growth, with a potential low of $48 and a high of $134. The average price during this period is estimated to be around $91. Avalanche price prediction 2026. Looking ahead to 2026, Avalanche's potential price is anticipated to rise even further, with a projected low of $63.16 and a high of $74.15. The average price during this period, calculated based on the data, is estimated to be approximately $68.88. Avalanche price prediction 2027. In 2027, the analysis suggests a continued upward trend in Avalanche's value, with the price potentially ranging between $92.44 and $103. Based on the calculated figures, the average price is projected to be approximately $97.72 during this period. Avalanche price prediction 2028. By 2028, Avalanche's price could potentially experience further growth, falling within the range of $109.33 and $132.01. The average price during this period, calculated from the data, is expected to be around $120.67. That means that the price of Avalanche will increase by 250% over the current price. That's a real kicker, percentage-wise in terms of investment. Do you still think that cryptocurrencies can't give exceptional returns? Avalanche price prediction 2029. Moving forward to 2029, Avalanche's price is predicted to ascend between $120.51 and $172.12. The average price during this period is estimated at around $146.315 based on calculated figures. Avalanche price prediction 2030. By 2030, Avalanche's price is forecasted to soar between $162.84 and $224.85. The average price during this period, calculated from the data, could stand at $193.845. This is the Avalanche price projection during the period 2024 to 2030. CryptoCast's Avalanche price prediction. During the 2021 bull run, the price of a single Avalanche coin was slightly more than $150. This indicates the potential demand that could increase in the next bull run. Moreover, the anticipation of the upcoming altcoin season may drive the price for this altcoin further. Additionally, Avalanche has a significant dominance in the DeFi industry, which is a positive point for Avalanche cryptocurrency. According to CryptoCast's Avalanche price prediction, the altcoin may reach a price of $103 by the end of 2027 and create a new all-time high of $172 by 2029. Moreover, the previous years are expected to be bullish but with a slow momentum. According to CryptoCast's Avalanche price prediction, we expect the Avalanche coin price to reach $80 by the end of 2024. What is Avalanche and what is it used for? Avalanche is an open-source cryptocurrency project consisting of three main blockchains: C-chain, P-chain and X-chain. Each chain serves a specific purpose in creating a secure, scalable and interoperable ecosystem. The project was developed by a team of researchers from Cornell University and is praised for its innovative, but complex, consensus algorithm, Avalanche Consensus. The algorithm uses a blend of Nakamoto algorithms, used by other cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum, combined with classical consensus mechanisms used by computer scientists since the 1980s. Avalanche Consensus plays a key role in facilitating fast transactions with 3-second finality, much quicker than on Ethereum, where finality takes 15 minutes. The Avalanche P-chain enables developers to create subnet blockchains within the Avalanche ecosystem, which are capable of up to 4,500 TPS each. Moreover, the Avalanche C-chain allows developers to easily port EVM dApps to Avalanche, benefiting from Avalanche's finality and scalability. The Avalanche token is used for governance, gas fees on the P-chain and X-chain, and validator staking on all chains. Subnets can also accept Avalanche for gas fees, although they can also accept other cryptos. Important note: the prices mentioned in this video may differ at the time of playback and viewing, due to the continuous volatility and fluctuation of crypto market prices.